Hello guys, here we are with another video. Got an Astra J here, which is having issues with the USB port not working. It's not accepting a charge or a connection, so the customer's unable to play music, etc., or connect their phone via USB to it. We can only see the customer did say that they had issues where it will come up with a voltage fault on the screen saying it was unable to connect, and then it just stopped working. So what we're going to be doing today is swapping this out for a brand new part, and to do that we're going to have to take out the whole center console part here. So we'll take you through what needs to be done, and so if you do have the same issue, you're able to do it yourselves. So firstly, what you need to do is remove the gear shifter gaiter, which is just here, and it does just lift off from there. Just need to pull it, give it a bit of a tug, and this will pop out, allowing you access into where the gear shifter is. And from here there's two screws just there, one there and one there, so one on either side, and just a Phillips head screw. They need unclipping off. Once that's done, that will release this, which is just on clips. So starting your way from here using two hands, one on each side, you can slowly pry it away, and that will get rid of that. Once that's done, this is the part that we need to remove. These two parts can just be taken out, pop to the side, and this is the actual unit that we need to pop out in order to get access to the back of the actual USB, which is there. This is literally just pressured in, so a big tug of this, I've already done it, but just holding it from both sides here and here, this will just pop straight off, and you've got access to the back end. So whether you need to change the SD card slot, the outlet, 12 volt outlet here, or the USB/AUX, it can all be done from here, and you're pulling that out and you've got access to it. So this is our replacement USB socket, which has got the integrated AUX into it as well. The part number that we had is that one just there, 13360040. So if you need to order one, more than likely it'll be the same. There are different variants of single AUX and stuff like that, so just make sure you get the right one for your VIN, but ours is the double one. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and remove that, install this, and see if it works. So in order to remove these clips here, all you need is a pressure on here, just a push tab, and it will just pull straight out. That's the one there, that's for the USB. And then this one has got the connector or the push tab underneath there. So all you need to do is press that, and then that connector will come straight out as well. I'll do it this way just to show you. But yeah, push tab there, and that's out there. And then you can see here it's got the tabs here. This just needs to be pulled out, and then this unit will just pop out. So here we have the old one out, and the new one is ready to go in. So fitting it is literally simple. We just make sure we drop it into the holes, one side in, make sure everything lines up, and it can just get pushed straight in. You don't have to worry about it. You might need to pull these tabs out ever so slightly on both sides again, but it should just be a matter of dropping it in. We should be fine. So I need to use two hands to do that, but we'll get it popped in, and it will fit in nicely there, and we'll put it back together. So now that new port is in, it's sitting nicely in there. We're just going to test out the USB. So we'll just stick the ignition on, that'll load everything up. We've got another phone here with a charger on, so we'll pop her in. We'll see if we have a charging phone. So it's plugged in, and there you go. Phone is charging again. Job well done. So we'll just unclip it, clip it back in, and there you go, all working again. So If you have any questions, or you having a similar issue and you want to know part numbers, etc., or just any questions in general in relation to this, subscribe, message us, comment down below, and we'll try and help you out as much as possible. Everything else now just goes back in reverse, so we'll put all this back together. Thank you.